everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are safe and healthy. So before going into the video, I'd like you all to please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon if you haven't done it yet, so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So without any more further ado, let's start the video. शिव, इस एक नाम में ही बसा है पूरा संसार। वो ब्रह्मांड भी है और ब्रह्मांड का पालनहार भी। वो महाकाल भी है और काल का भक्षक भी। वो सृष्टि का आरंभ भी है और वही सृष्टि का अंत। वो अनंत है, अमृत है। वो देवों का देव, महादेव है। शिव इज इन एवरीथिंग एंड इज इन एवरीवन। वही है भूत, वर्तमान और भविष्य। वो हमें जीना सिखाते हैं, अपने अंदर के अंतरात्मा की खोज करना सिखाते हैं, अपने कष्टों, दुखों और अंदर बसे उस दानव का संहार करना भी सिखाते हैं। अनेक देवताओं में वो एक महाकाल जो कैलाश पर वास करता है, शरीर पर भस्म मलता है, कंठ में उसके वासुकी नाग, सिर पर गंगाधार, एक हाथ में त्रिशूल है उसके, दूसरे में डमरू रहता है, चांद जटाओं में है जिसके और बाघ की खाल पहनता है। अति दयालु है पर पापी का संहार करता है, काल से भी बड़ा वो महाकाल कहलाता है। Lord Shiva Shankara is often depicted with a powerful aura, which symbolizes his spiritual and cosmic energy. The third eye on his forehead that represents the inner and intuitive wisdom, and the crescent moon symbolizing the control over time and cycle of life and death. Similarly, his matted hair showing his ascetic nature, the tiger skin showing his mastery and victory over desire and ego, the snake around his neck which shows his mastery in the cycle of life, death and rebirth, and the Ganga from his matted hair which shows the sense of purity. Shiva Shankar's aura is a reminder of his connection with the universe and his role as a destroyer of evil and ignorance. His positive energy is believed as to inspire a spiritual growth, self-reflection and transformation. शिव के सबसे करीबी होते हैं उनके भक्त। शिव भक्तों का सबसे प्रिय महीना होता है सावन। Yes, सावन, the fifth month in Hindu calendar which falls between July and August. During the month of Sawan, the Shiv Bhaktas, they perform different rituals, do fasting and perform prayers for the blessing of Shiv Shankar. Some of the very genuine and very regular practices that some of the Shiv Bhaktas do during the month of Sawan are such as Rudrabhishek, keeping fasts, offering prayers to Shiva Shankara, visiting Shiv Mandirs, and the most significant of all these rituals, that is the Kanwar Yatra. Kanwar Yatra is a very significant Hindu pilgrimage in which the Kanwarians, that is the devotees, they walk barefoot to different sacred rivers, that is the Ganga, Yamuna or other holy water sources, where they draw water from these sources and put them into their kanwars. It is a very decorated pole or container. And then they carry this holy water on their shoulder or on their head, and they walk barefoot to different temples of Shiv Shankar with lots of devotion, chanting and reciting different Shiv mantras. They walk barefoot to all these temples and they offer this holy water to the Shiv idol in that temple. It is also a condition during this Kanwar Yatra that the Kanwarians cannot put their Kanwar down until and unless they offer this holy water to the idol of Shiv Shankar. And this is how it shows the connection between the Bhakta and the God. With Shiva Bhakti, These devotees, these Kanvarians, they walk barefoot to long, long distances, carrying the Kanvar on their head or shoulder. With Shiva Bhakti, they just walk and they reach their Shiva. They reach their Shiva Shankara, their Bholanath. And this is why Shiva loves his bhaktas the most. तो इस बार इस सावन के महीने में जो भी मेरे बंधु कांवर यात्रा पर गए हैं, मेरी आशा है कि उनका सफ़र सफल रहे और आगे भी सफल बनता रहे। मेरी ये शिव शंकर से ये प्रार्थना है कि भोलेनाथ हमेशा आप पर प्रसन्न रहें और आपके परिवार पर सुख की बरसात करते रहें। जय शिव शंकर। और अगर आपके पास ये वीडियो पहुंची है तो शिव शंकर पर भक्ति रखते हुए इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और इसको शेयर कर दीजिए ताकि हर कांवर के पास ये वीडियो पहुंचे और उनका मनोबल और भी सुदृढ़ हो, ताकि अगले साल वो भी कांवर यात्रा के लिए प्रिपेयर कर सके। और उसी के साथ आप लोगों से ये विनती है कि अगर आप पहली बार इस चैनल पे आए हैं तो इसको सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिए so that you will get the notification as soon as I post a new video. Along with that, I'll take my leave. Thanks for watching. I hope you all stay safe and stay healthy.